Okay, y'all, it's about 4:35 in the afternoon. The kids just got home from school and they're in there watching TV. So I'm gonna make some tacos for dinner tonight. So let's cook. Daddy, is this your cousin?
Is this your cousin?